Hello everyone and welcome back to the EMCC, the most ambitious channel on the internet, by far. Today we're going to do a little something different. Before I get started, I want to give out a shout out to my cousin Tommy. Haven't seen the man in years, but he's responsible for making the social media hub eclectic and entertaining, and actually worth getting on. He'll show a Gandalf the Grey post. He'll show some fails and face plants. He'll do some, it's just stuff to help you get through the day. You know what I mean? Make life better, encourage you, make you laugh, that sort of thing. He also what we're about to do is a result of one of his Facebook posts. And I must admit, if it wasn't for this channel, I would never try this in a million years. But that's part of the good of this channel for me, it's encouraging me to try new things. Alright, the first thing it said to do was to drink it on a hot day. I don't know if y'all can tell it or not, but I did some moderately strenuous exercise on a hot day. Hot, humid day, so as a result, it looks like I'm melting because I am. So, I'm definitely thirsty. And the drink we're going to make a nice pitcher of what's called beef fizz. Beef fizz. For this, you'll need 2 cans of beef broth. And you'll need 1 can of chilled ginger ale. Now, I could only find the ponies, so yeah, we're gonna have to. The ponies are 7.5 ounces, so to get it down to 12 ounces. Well, let me show you what we're gonna do. We kind of eyeball it. We're going to kind of eyeball it here. So, alright, these two together will make 12 ounces. You want these guys chilled. I chilled everything. To be honest with you, I've had this in the refrigerator because, oh yeah, much better. Because I kind of planned this out, the exercise on a hot day, and I knew I'd be miserably hot, so I went ahead and, chilled it out, so, yeah, I'm fizzing to get this going. Oh yeah. Oh, this. I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to. We'll see. We're going to keep an open mind here. Oh, come out of there. We're going to keep an open mind with this. Okay? This might be my new favorite thing. That's why I just keep telling myself over and over. This might be my new favorite thing. This might be my new favorite thing. Alright, so. I can't really. Alright, boom. Here's the first can. Right in that pitcher. The next can, we're going in. We're going in. Yummy. That's what 2 cans of beef broth look like in a pitcher. Is that everything you wanted? Is it? Oh, I forgot my tablespoon. My tablespoon. Bonjour. tablespoon to me. Man. A little nervous. A little nervous as to how this is going to turn out. Yeah. Alright, now ginger ale. Okay. I didn't know what I was expecting to happen there. Alright, this will get it up to 12 ounces. It's fizzing a little bit. It's fizzing a little bit. Alright, now the next part is I feel like a little kid trying to get a shot. But it was a tablespoon of lemon juice, which I procured just for this purpose. Lemon juice. Alright. Tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we stir. I can't tell you it's looking any better. I can tell you it's not looking any worse. And I'm so thirsty right now. Alright. They say serve it on the rocks. I already have my rocks. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. It looks like, honestly, it kind of looks like lemonade. Kind of looks like lemonade, so. Oh my goodness. I'm stalling on it, but I'm just trying to get a shot of this. There it is. There it is. Alright. I'm finna try it. Let me put the cap back on this. I'm not stalling. In case I start convulsing, I don't want to spill my lemon juice. Alright. Here's to you. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's actually really refreshing. That's what it's advertised as. It's really refreshing. I'm trying to think if like me being really thirsty is factoring into this equation. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it wouldn't be this refreshing, but it's actually pretty good. Yeah, good job, Crescent Tommy. This is good. I don't know if, it's my new go-to, but it's good. So, anyways, it's really all I had time to do today. I'm not going to say goodbye, though, for I'm sure we'll meet again. And until we do, I'm going to wish you all the good luck and love in the world.